Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salad cream easy method. Start by gathering eggs, oil, vinegar, mustard, sugar, salt, and pepper, and set a small bowl for tempering the egg. Whisk the egg yolks with mustard and a little vinegar, then slowly stream in oil while whisking to emulsify into a silky cream. Adjust seasoning, add a splash of water to loosen, and chill briefly before serving. Gather all ingredients and measure them ahead of time to streamline the process and avoid overmixing. Use a neutral oil like sunflower or light olive for a clean flavor and 2 tablespoons of vinegar to keep the dressing bright. Whisk the yolks with mustard and sugar until smooth, then add oil slowly to ensure a stable emulsion. Taste and tweak with salt, pepper, and optional lemon for the flavor profile you prefer. If you are enjoying the video, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: grab some leak-proof containers to store your salad cream safely and avoid spills when packing lunches. They nest well and seal tightly. I find they speed up meal prep and keep things tidy, which pairs perfectly with homemade dressings. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by whisking yolks, mustard, and a little vinegar until smooth and slightly pale. Temper with a spoon of warm vinegar if needed, then add oil in a very slow, steady stream while whisking vigorously to avoid breaking the emulsion. Once thick, season with sugar, salt, and pepper, then adjust texture with a tablespoon of water or vinegar. Chill briefly so flavors meld and the cream firms up a bit before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.